Welcome to this guided meditation for emotional well-being. Take these next few moments to slow down and reconnect with yourself. Gently close your eyes. Let your body become heavy. Let your breath become soft. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Then release a long and relaxed breath out. Again, breathe in slowly and breathe out gently. Let go of some of the tension you are carrying. And now visualize yourself sitting beside a calm pond. The water is still. The air feels warm. The space around you is quiet. Everything feels peaceful. With each breath, let your body settle. Let your face soften. Let your shoulders relax. Gently release your jaw. In the center of the pond, you notice a lotus flower. Its roots reach deep into the mud below, into the darkness, into the heavy water. Yet the flower continues to rise. Slowly, gently, moving towards the light. As you breathe in, imagine you are the lotus. Feel the breath lifting you. Slowly, effortlessly. Up through the water, up through the heaviness, up through anything weighing on you. There's no rush. There is nothing to force. There's only a gentle rising with each breath. As you reach the surface, you begin to bloom. Soft, open, calm. The water around you may still be moving. Like life around you may still feel busy. Yet you remain steady. Thoughts may come and go. Sounds may come and go. Feelings may come and go. And you remain quiet, present, at peace. Just like the lotus, you are not the mud. You are not the chaos around you. You are the flower that continues to rise. Breathe in. Feel yourself rise. Breathe out. Feel yourself soften. Feel the warmth of the light across your petals. Feel the stillness within your body. Feel the calm within your mind. No matter what you move through in life, you can return here. Return to the quiet within you, above the noise, above the thoughts, above the rush. You rise, you open, you shine. Rest here for a few quiet moments. Floating, calm, supported by your breath. Take one final deep breath in. Feel your inner strength rising. Then breathe out slowly. Carry this softness and strength with you. Begin to notice the surface beneath you. Notice the sounds around you. Notice the space around your body. Gently move your fingers and toes. Slowly bring your palms together. Rub your hands for at least 10 seconds. Shift all your focus in between your hands and gently place your hands on your eyes. Feel the warmth. Feel the stillness. Gently bring your hands down, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Remember the lotus within you. You can return to this inner space whenever life feels uncertain. Stay grounded within yourself, even when the world around you feels busy. Thank you for joining me here at Soha. Namaste.